Hello, grade 2. How are you doing? I hope you are all doing fine and safe. Today, we're going to have another learning experience with Math 2. So what are you waiting for? Get your pencil and paper ready or your whiteboard and marker ready. And let's learn math with teacher Jubani. We are now in lesson 6.1. And the topic that we are going to discuss today is about mass in kilogram. What do you mean by mass? When you hear that word, what comes to your mind? Let's see what this girl is thinking about mass. Mass can be defined as how heavy an object is or how light an object is. Mass can also be associated to the word weight. These are the things that you can think of when you hear the word mass. Let's remember the things we discussed when you were in grade 1. I'm giving you time to answer these exercises. So get ready your pencil and paper. All right. I hope you are able to answer all of these items correctly. And I hope that you are still able to remember the things that we discussed in grade 1. Let's have the exercises. The instruction is compare the masses of animals using the words below. The words you're going to choose from are lighter than, heavier than, and as heavy as. Let's have letter A. There's a rabbit and there's a lion. The rabbit is blank the lion. Since the weighing scale is not balanced, then one of them must be heavier and one of them must be lighter. The correct answer for letter A is lighter than. The rabbit is lighter than the lion. In letter B, there's a lion, there's also an elephant. The elephant is blank the lion. Is it lighter than, heavier than, or as heavy as? And the correct answer is heavier than. Notice that the elephant is at the bottom. All right? Let's proceed to letter C. There's a rabbit and there's a cat. The rabbit is blank the cat. Is it lighter than, heavier than, or as heavy as? If your answer is as heavy as, then congratulations, you are correct. Notice here that the rabbit and the cat are of the same balance. In other words, they are balanced. No one is lighter, no one is heavier. All right? Now that you are already refreshed with what you've learned in the past, let's now proceed to our think about this in this video. In this picture, Michael and Lily are measuring the masses of the gifts they want to send to their friends. Since it's almost December, so we have to think of the gifts that we can give to our parents, to our friends, and to anyone important to us, right? Okay, just so it's time for you to think about it. Now let's go back to the problem or to the picture. Michael, or the mass of Michael's gift is 5 of these objects. These are bottles, actually. Or we can say the mass of Michael's gift is the same as the mass of 5 of these objects. The mass of Lily's gift is the same as 5 of these objects. The question now is, Whose gift is heavier? Is it the gift of Michael or the gift of Lily? What do you think? And the answer is there's none. We cannot compare the masses of objects when we use different objects to measure. In A, we used bottles to measure the mass of the gift. In B, we used thread to measure the mass of the gift. And these two objects are different, and we are not sure if they have the same mass. So when comparing masses of objects, use the same objects. All right? Now, a while ago, I mentioned about mass in kilogram. What do you mean by kilogram? Kilogram is a unit of mass. For example, 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms, 26 kilograms, and so on. And we write kg for kilogram. Kg is the shortcut for kilogram. Let's have example number 1. I have here 2 kinds of weighing scales. The first one, this is what we call an analog weighing scale, and the other one is a balance scale. Okay, for the analog, you can see some numbers like 1 kilogram here, 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms, and 4 kilograms. If you want to know the mass of an object, just put the object on top of this weighing scale, and you're going to read the mass. All right? Based on this, I can say that the carton of milk is as heavy as 1 kilogram. The carton of milk is as heavy as 1 kilogram. And it's also illustrated in the balance scale. Since the 2 pans are balanced, balance meaning no one is above or below the other. They are balanced, so the carton of milk is as heavy as 1 kilogram. We can also say that the mass of the carton of milk is 1 kilogram. Let's have example number 2. What can you say about Michael's gift? Michael's gift is weighed using different kinds of weighing scales. Let's see if your observations are correct. Based on the picture, we can say that Michael's gift is lighter than 1 kilogram mass. Why? Because this does not reach 1 kilogram. That's why Michael's gift is lighter than the 1 kilogram mass. Look at the balance scale. Michael's gift is on top, which means it is lighter. What other observation can you make out of this picture? We can also say that the mass of Michael's gift is less than 1 kilogram. Now, let's move on to our example number 3. In example number 3, we have Lily's gift. What can you say about the mass of Lily's gift? All right, let's see if your observations are correct or the same as mine. We can say that Lily's gift is heavier than the 1 kilogram mass. This red mark has passed the 1 kilogram, which means this object, which is the gift of Lily, is heavier than 1 kilogram. Look at the balance scale. The gift of Lily is below, and the 1 kilogram is on top, which means the gift of Lily is heavier than the 1 kilogram mass. All right. We can also say that the mass of Lily's gift is more than 1 kilogram. In fact, the mass of Lily's gift is 2 kilograms. Now it's your turn, and let's see if you learned something from my discussion. I'm giving you time to answer item number 1. After that, we are going to discuss the answers. All right. How did you find the exercises, grade 2? Are they easy or hard? Let's see if you've got the correct answers. For letter A, the correct answer is 2. All right. Let's proceed to letter B. In letter B, the correct answer is 10. It says here 10 kilograms. Letter C, the mass of the girl is 35 kilograms. It says here 35 kilograms. By the way, grade 2, this is what we call digital weighing scale. Letter D, the mass of this vegetable is 2 kilograms. And for letter E, the mass of this bag of rice is 3 kilograms. Congratulations. I believe you've got the correct answers. And now get ready for item number 2. And this is going to be our last part in this video. I'm giving you time to answer these items. Your time is up, and it's time now to reveal the answers. The instruction is fill in the blanks with more than or less than. Let's see if your answers are the same as my answers. Letter A, the mass of this pineapple is less than 1 kilogram. The red mark did not reach the 1 kilogram. For letter B, the mass of this watermelon is more than 3 kilograms. Look at the weighing scale. The red mark has passed the 3 kilograms. All right, grade 2, that's it. And I hope that you learned something from this video. You just learned about mass in kilogram, and kilogram is just a unit of mass. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.